going to paint the cabinets. Oh, this cabinet. That door is off. It's up there. Because everything in this house is brown. Everything. Cabinets, cabinets, cabinets. Oh my god, cabinets. Oh, oh, I forgot those doors up there too. Ooh. Island. Cabinets, cabinets. Big cabinets. Cabinets. All over the place. Cabinets. Desk. Drawers. Oh my god. Use TSP to clean it off. I don't sand it. TSP gets all the old varnish off good enough. Because I did TSP down here already. You can see the varnish is pretty much gone. The dark brown means that I got down to the wood. That's my indication I'm down to the wood. And I still have to do all these. So you see they're still shiny. Still has varnish on them. So I have to do all those. But I'm done with the bottom. I'm going to get to painting just the bottom. And just the dust part over. My son-in-law, nice enough to do my hinges for me. Right? And the dark brown is the indication that the glaze is off. Shiny because these are still wet. Well, the cabinets have been painted for a couple of months now. We've been done. The top, just in case anybody's curious and you have the crown and you're wondering how it looks with the original color, it looks like crap. So I still have to go through and use TSP to get all the shiny off, and I don't know if I'm going to paint it the same color or what I'm going to do. But all the cabinets are done. And fair warning, if you paint white, you're going to be cleaning it every week.